Looking for an Klein watch gift for the holidays? Luckily for you, we are here to help. Here are the best choices we think you should consider when looking for the perfect gift. And the best part? We already collected them for you. All you need to do is click this link below, and choose your favorite one. Number 1, Rose Gold Tone Watch, featuring blush mother-of-pearl dial, and sparkling Swarovski crystal rounds. Set includes X-Link bracelet, accented with Swarovski crystals, polished bracelet with Swarovski crystal studded charm, and bangle with pink enamel fill, by Klein. Number 2, Curved Mineral Crystal Lens, Light Champagne Dial with gold tone hands and markers. Black leather strap with buckle closure, another great product by Klein. Number 3, Gold Tone Watch with Minimalist Sunray Dial, featuring printed logo and diamond marker at 12 o'clock. 32, Metal Case with mineral dial window. Gold tone link bracelet with jewelry clasp closure. Christmas 2018 is almost here. Click this link below for more great offers and ideas. Get yours now.